In general, the double-edged knife is common for house use. The angle against the whetstone is important when you sharpen these kinds of knives. All kitchen knives have cutting edges, and the tip of the edge, which we call koba, controls the function of the knives. If you sharpen narrower than the width of koba, you will get more sharpness, but lose durability. If you make it wider, you will get more durability, but lose sharpness. Keeping the angle on whetstone is important. You have to hold the knife using your thumb to keep the angle and degrees. Put the knife on the whetstone with the cutting edge facing you. The angle of the cutting edge should be 15 degrees. Angle the knife 45 degrees against the vertical center line of the whetstone, and put your left hand around the edge where you would like to sharpen. Let's start from the tip to heel in order. It may be better to divide the areas of the knife into several parts while sharpening, until you can get used to sharpening the entire edge. Put your weight into the process as you hold that angle. A liquid that looks like mud will appear. It is very necessary for sharpening, so please do not wash it away. Unstable holding may change the angle, which is not good. Also, if you sharpen moving forward only, the edge will be rounded and it won't be sharpened. An angle stabilizer may help you until you can get used to sharpening the knife. If the edge is correctly sharpened, burrs will appear on the side, and you can feel it with your finger. Burrs are proof that a knife is being sharpened. Check it several times with your fingers during sharpening. Sharpen the whole edge the same way. Turn it over and take the burrs away. The ratio 7:3 should be better. 7 front, 3 back. The front and back is reversed when sharpening left-handed knives. When you get used to it, you can sharpen a knife using your left hand in the same way as your right hand. This is actually better because both sides can be sharpened equally. The same way is used for finishing as middle grind. Cutting newspaper helps to take tiny burrs away. The sharpness came back. A section of knives are generally cuneiform, as you can see. This means the closer to the spine, the thicker. If you repeat sharpening, the edge will be thicker and the angle also obtuse, which means the edge becomes dull. To solve this problem, you have to make the whole kitchen knife thinner, and we call this togioroshi. Togioroshi also repairs cracks. Grind 1/3 of the whole blade for togioroshi. A rough grind whetstone will be sufficient. Togioroshi is basically the same as the sharpening we showed. When you have sharpened several times, you will need to check whether or not the edge has become thicker. If it has, it may be time to do togioroshi. Togioroshi comes prior to sharpening.